Christmas when the snow starts to fall.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas decorate with me part 2. The first video was me decorating my Christmas tree. This video is me decorating my home. So I am starting off with the fireplace, and this is a gingerbread theme, and I'm so excited to do this theme, y'all. This is like a dream of mine of just having like a gingerbread decorations in my home. I've always loved gingerbread for Christmas, and I'm finally doing it this year. I'm hanging up our stockings. I did make these stockings a few years ago, and I decided to use them again this year because the kids were asking for them, so I'm going to hang them up. I will not be talking too much in this video, but you kind of get the drift of what I'm doing. I'm decorating for Christmas, putting things together, y'all. That's it.
Final gift. You know it's time for Christmas for each and every one.
So the dining room, I'm not doing anything too special. You probably see me do this same setup within the last previous years, and I'm doing it again because I love it so much, and I like it, y'all. And sometimes I really do just be struggling like what to put there, so I just do what I know what to do. Next, I am making a hot cocoa bar for the kids. So it's just a real simple little hot cocoa area for them whenever we get ready to do like our movie nights. We'll have access to the hot cocoa and the marshmallows, and the Christmas cup's going to be right there on the table, already set up for us. All we got to do is just reach for it. All right. And again, I've done this in previous Christmas videos. Basically, every holiday, I use this little jar and I put in what the holiday is in this jar. So for Christmas, I put in ornaments. For Easter, I put in Easter eggs. For fall, I put in acorns and pumpkins. So y'all kind of like get what where I'm coming from. This centerpiece, as you can see, I am filming on my other phone. I'm filming for Instagram and TikTok. If you do not follow me on Instagram and TikTok, make sure you do that by just typing in my name, Aurelian Augusta, and you will find me. So I'm filming for TikTok, as you can see, so just don't mind the phone right there. But I'm making my own centerpiece, so I use some Epsom salt as snow, and then I'm adding these fake poinsettias that I got from Hobby Lobby. And that's it, y'all. I mean, I'm keeping it real simple with this centerpiece. And it's very cheap and affordable to do. I got the glass bowl, I think from Walmart. I think Hobby Lobby have them as well. So yeah, just buy you any little glass piece that you like, add in some Epsom salt, and then add in a poinsettia or whatever type of floral that you would like for Christmas. You can add in there. I think towards the end I will add in a few ornaments to kind of like fill it up because I did not purchase enough Epsom salt. Or you can just leave it like that. It still looks good.
Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to you, O Israel. Oh, come, O King of nations, by in one the hearts of all mankind. Bid all our sad divisions cease, and be yourself our King of peace.
this about sums it up for my Christmas decorate with me video. I do want to do my bathrooms, but I may just do that for TikTok, so follow me there, y'all. As you can see, my gingerbread theme came out so beautifully. I'm waiting on my red pillowcases, so I did not show you guys my pillowcases, but it's all good. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one.
And ransom captive Israel that mourns in